What is a crypto airdrop and how to get the best in 2025? Want free cryptocurrency? That's what crypto airdrops offer. Projects give away tokens to boost awareness and attract users. It's your chance to earn digital assets simply by meeting criteria or completing fun, simple tasks, no money up front. Curious? Keep watching to find out how you can grab yours. Crypto projects distribute tokens to wallets as promotional giveaways. Holders of certain cryptos or loyal community members often qualify. Tasks can include following accounts, joining Telegram groups, or owning specific coins. Imagine getting rewarded just by being engaged or holding onto your favorite cryptocurrency. Airdrops can vary. Standard airdrops are open to everyone who fulfills tasks. Holder airdrops reward users based on token ownership, while exclusive ones target VIP users. Knowing these types helps you pick opportunities and enjoy maximum rewards. Which type suits you best? Research the project. Spot legitimate airdrops, stay active in crypto communities, and never share your private keys. Look for trending projects and track announcements on platforms like Twitter and airdrop aggregators. Securing free tokens is fun, but staying safe is essential for an enjoyable experience. Ready to dive into the exciting world of crypto airdrops? Do your research, stay cautious, and start collecting free rewards today. Subscribe now for more crypto tips or share this video with your friends who'd love to earn free digital treasures. Click the link below to begin your crypto journey. Your first airdrop awaits.